Good morning, student. Today I am going to start the chapter electricity. Now, my first question is that what do you mean by electric current? Electric current means flow of charge or flow of free electrons per unit time is known as electric current. Or even we can say flow of free electron or flow of charge per unit time through a conducting body is known as electric current. Actually, electrons flow from negative to positive terminal, but we consider the current from positive to negative, that is convectional current. Convectional means what we consider. Now come to electric current is expressed as formula for electric current. As we know, the definition of current is flow of charge per unit time. So we are going to represent the charge by Q and time by T. And for we will say I is current. So our mathematical formula is I is equal to Q upon T. The SI unit of electric charge is coulomb and time is second. So therefore, SI unit of current is coulomb per second, or even we can say ampere. Ampere and coulomb both are the SI unit of electric current. Now, how can we define the 1 ampere current? From the above relation, we can define the 1 ampere current, that is when a 1 coulomb of charge flows through a circuit in a 1 second. Again, I am repeating, 1 coulomb of charge flows through a circuit in a 1 second is known as 1 ampere current. Is known as 1 ampere current. Now, which instrument is used to measure the electric current? Which instrument is used to measure the electric current? That is ammeter. Ammeter is the instrument which used to measure the strength of electric current, and it always connected in series. It is always connected in series. Now, here we have shown the direction of electron. When we connect a battery, that is source of electric current, to a electric bulb, then what will happen? From the negative terminal of the battery, electrons start rushing from negative to positive. And when the circuit is complete, the bulb will glow. Here we have seen the electrons flow from negative terminal to positive terminal. This current is known as electronic current. This current is known as electronic current. Wherever we consider the direction of current from positive to negative as shown in above figure, so it is known as convectional current. Why we have taken a direction of current from positive to negative? Because we follow the general phenomena of physics, like heat always transfer from higher temperature to lower, wind blow from higher pressure to lower pressure. Here, negative terminal is lower potential and positive terminal is upper or higher potential. So always current, we also consider the current from higher potential to lower potential. So this was the concept of electric current. Now we come to next, electric potential. What do you mean by electric potential or potential difference? And even we can say it as a voltage. Electric potential means क्या होता है? It is the amount of work done in bringing a unit test charge from infinity to that charge body is known as electric potential. Again, I am repeating, it is the amount of work done in bringing a unit test charge from infinite to that charge body is known as electric potential. It is represented by EP. It is represented by EP. Next, potential difference. Potential difference between the 2 points means it is the amount of work done in bringing a unit test charge from one point to another within the electric field. Already capped inside the electric field. So therefore, we can say it is the amount of work done in bringing a unit test charge from one point to another within the electric field. Now, mathematical expression. As the formula of potential difference is work done upon charge, so we are going to represent the potential difference by V or PD and work done by W and charge by Q. Therefore, our next formula is voltage is equal to work upon charge, W upon Q. Now come to SI unit. From the above formula, we can say the SI unit of potential difference or voltage is joule per coulomb, or even we can say volt. Now we are going to define 1 volt from the above relation. What is above relation? 1V is equal to 1 joule upon 1 coulomb. They both are unit of potential difference. Either you can say volt or joule per coulomb. From this, we can define 1 volt. What do you mean by 1 volt? 1 volt is equal to 1 volt is the potential difference when 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb charge from one point to another. One point to another. Again, I am repeating. 1 volt is the potential difference when a 1 joule of work is done to move 1 coulomb charge from one point to another within the electric field. Now, we are going to measure the potential difference with the help of voltmeter. With the help of voltmeter, and it is always connected in parallel. We have already studied ammeter is connected in series, whereas voltmeter is connected in parallel. Now we come to electric circuit. What do you mean by electric circuit? It consists of many components like cell, battery, ammeter, voltmeter, connecting wire. So it is a continuous and closed path for an electric current. What do you mean by electric circuit? Means it is a continuous and closed path for electric current. Now, this is the diagram, and we always show the direction of current from positive to negative. Here, bulb, ammeter, plug key, cell, all are connected in series. All are connected in series. Next, symbol of components used in electric circuit. What symbols we use in electric circuits are: first, electric cell. As we know, cell is the source of electric current. Bigger line is represents positive terminal, smaller line represents negative terminal. Next, battery. Battery is the combination of two or more cells. Two or more cells को combine करने पे we get a battery. Next, plug key. Plug key means it is an open key when no current will flow. If dot is represented inside it, it shows a closed key. So it is used in an electric circuit. It is used in an electric circuit. Electric circuit. It is used in electric circuit. It is used in electric circuit to cut off the supply of electric current. Cut off the supply of electric current. Next is tapping key. Here if we tap with the finger, then current will flow through the circuit. Next, electric bulb. Electric bulb क्या होता है? It is a source of electric. It converts the electrical energy into heat energy. Its filament is made up of tungsten, whose melting point is high. Whose melting point is high. It is always its melting point is high. Next is resistor. Resistance is represented by R. Resistance is represented by R. Next is rheostat. The symbols are different, but their functioning and their principle both are same. That means they work on the same principle, and their function is same. On what principle they work? Resistance of wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire. Means if we increase the length, the resistance will increase. If we decrease the length, the resistance will decrease. And what is its function? Its function, by increasing the strength of current, we reduce the, by increasing the resistance, we reduce the current. Or by decreasing the resistance, we increase the current. Means variable resistance means it provides variable resistance. That means we can change the value of current by changing the resistance. Next instrument is ammeter. Next instrument is ammeter. Ammeter, as already we have defined it, it is an instrument used to measure the strength of current. Here it has two terminals, positive and negative. So there are some precaution points. Positive terminal of battery is connected to the positive terminal of battery, and negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of battery. It is always connected in series. Its own resistance is negligible. Its own resistance is negligible. Next is voltmeter. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel. It is just opposite to ammeter. Its own resistance is very, very high. That means its own resistance is infinite. If we, by mistake, if we connect it in series, no current will flow through the circuit. no current will flow through the circuit because it provides a infinite resistance. So it is always connected in parallel. Next, its positive terminal is connected to the positive terminal of battery and negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Next is wires joined. Here two wires are joined with each other, and crossed wire means when two wires are not intersecting with each other, means their metallic part is not connected with each other, only they are overlapped on each other. Next is electric circuit. Electric circuit, again it consists of various components and it is a closed path for electric circuit. Here we have shown a single cell, two cell, six cell. So if we combine two or more cell, it becomes a battery. Connecting wire is represented by single dash. It is made up of generally copper or aluminum. In household wiring, we use a copper wire. Here, two cells are connected in parallel, three cells are connected in parallel. Next is positive represented by plus, negative represented by negative, and earth is represented by this symbol. Okay, that's all for today.